When we meet with a new client, we'll meet with them and provide them a free consultation, and we'll provide them with exact quotes for our legal fees. So first of all, we quote a down payment. It's called a retainer. That's a certain amount of money to start the file. We will quote if the matter resolves, that means by way of guilty plea without setting a trial date, withdrawal, peace bond. So in other words, you're not heading to trial and there's a block fee quote. So you know exactly what you're getting into. And then we will quote for a trial as well. So if you don't do a plea, there's further fees in addition to the retainer to proceed to trial. And so you'll know exactly what you're getting into. We don't charge hourly rates, and there's a reason for that. You can watch another video. I commented somewhat negatively on hourly rates. I don't believe it's a good thing to get locked into hourly rates with a lawyer for various reasons. You're going to know exactly what you're getting into, your exact quote, and you can decide to retain us or not. Now, a question that clients often ask me is, are there travel fees outside? We have multiple locations across the province, and we travel to areas within a range of those locations, and most of those counties are within 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, sometimes as much as 4 from where we're located. We don't charge travel fees. Our fees are common across central, western, and southwestern Ontario, which is our main region, and we don't charge travel fees. And we do cases even farther afield than that at times. We take on cases across Ontario, frankly. And so that's the question, the answer. We don't charge travel fees. We charge block quote fees, so you know what you're getting into. There's certainty. Your fees are not going to be more than those block quotes, as opposed to the uncertainty of, oh my God, hourly rates of $400 or $500 an hour that some criminal lawyers charge. How do you know when it ends? You have no idea the time estimate. You should strive for certainty with quotes, and that's what we do at our firm.